The planner keeps track of every ingredient used in your recipes. To see them, scroll down and open the ingredients database. Here you'll find all ingredients, the recipes they're used in, their categories, and any prices you've added. You can also get here by clicking Update Pricing below the ingredient list on the homepage. Ingredients with a red background are missing pricing or other details needed for cost estimates. Let's fix that with eggs. I'll type the price from my local store, add how many come in a pack, and set the unit to PCS. Now, whenever I plan a meal with eggs, the cost will appear automatically on the homepage. It's important to match the unit you use in recipes with the unit you use in pricing. For example, if a dessert calls for 2 bananas, but you priced bananas by weight, the planner can't calculate the cost. So, when adding prices, always use the same unit as in your recipes. That's it. Now your ingredient costs will stay accurate across the whole planner. To get more help about Organization Oasis Notion Meal Planner, check the help and video guides at the bottom of the homepage.